Okay, listen up, you idiots. Australia is real. I know it's real because I live here. Listen, Australia has been around for a very, very long time. There's over... Hang on. Look, we've been around for a very, very long time. Where do you think Crocodile Dundee or the movie Australia or Blinky Bill comes from? Australia is one of the most beloved countries in the world. Give me a minute, which the guy underneath me is looking it up. I give away. Yeah, hurry up. Listen, we're real. We've been real for a very, very long time. There are over 24. There's over 24.6 million people in Australia. And if you don't think we're real, then you can go stuff yourself, mate. Because in Australia, we're real. We've been real for a long, long time. I don't care what that idiot something dude or Ryan Ragman or something, whatever his name is. He's an idiot. Alright, I've been living here. I've been to Sydney. I've been to Ipswich. I've been to Queensland. I've been sort of I've been places, alright? And Australia is real, so go stuff yourself, you idiot who don't think it's real. Now, excuse me, I'm gonna have a Vegemite sandwich, and I'm gonna have some Tim Tams and Milo. Bye.